Hello, everybody. Today I will show my project. This session one, I will show my project. It is called a water alarm. So this is the water alarm. This is the speaker, and this is the battery. As you can see, how I made it is to complete a circuit, we have to connect these two wires. So I have just connected to.
Show the
Yes,
function,
sir.
na? Show it now.
Yes.
First of all, what it is, yeah.
So it works like this. When I pour water in it, like this, I'm pouring water in it. The alarm goes off. Like this.
Anyways, ले दो now. तैतीस थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट में मूव हो, थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट में, कैमरा के सामने आ जाओगे, थोड़ा लेफ्ट में हो.
Okay.
तुम लेफ्ट में, हाँ, good, great.
So when I pour water in it, the alarm goes off. So basically it works like, to complete the circuit, we have to connect these two wires, these both. I have attached it to a metal sheet, which is coming in both ends over here, right over here. There's a little gap, so the circuit is not complete. And when the water is poured, I have put a metal sheet which is floating on the water. It is floating on the water. So when the water level goes up, the metal sheet will also go up. So when the metal sheet goes up, it will connect these two platforms, which will complete the circuit, and then the buzzer goes up. So that's how it works.
ये जो middle में float हो रहा है वो क्या है? In the middle.
It's a metal sheet. Sir, it's a metal sheet which is floating.
Okay. It will keep on floating.
Sir?
Will it keep on floating?
It will keep on floating. Because I put some thermocol pieces on under it, so it floats.
Okay.
And when the water level rises, it also rises.
This is your original design, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When it will rain, there would not be a lot of water coming at once. So when it will rain drop by drop, the water arm will go slowly. But it is still raining. The water arm work is that I know when the rain is coming. But from this, it will so much time will go while raining because the water will come.
तुम्हें ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये रेन के लिए है? Tatish,
Yes, sir.
one fault you have made. You did not make them understand the purpose of your machine. Utsav thinks this is to detect the rain.
Sir, the purpose of my machine is when, let's say, the water tankers. We have water tanks in Rangoli also, in your Rangoli Greens or Gardens. So when they pour water in it, right? So how will we know when it is full? When to stop? Somebody can't just keep watch over there all the time, right? So the water alarm works for that only. When it is reaching the brink, the alarm goes off. So then we can slow the water level, and then we can stop the water pressure. So then we can know when the tank is full and when it is not.
Don't you think that was the first thing you should have done to explain the purpose of your machine? Otherwise, how will they connect to it, what you're saying later on?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Anybody? Vedant? Ask him. He's asking you a question. Irishi.
Okay.
Can you attach thermocol below the metal sheet?
I couldn't hear you. Could you repeat?
He's
it?
asking why did you have to attach this thermocol pieces below the metal sheet which is floating in the
I attached the thermocol pieces below the metal sheet to make it float. As you all know that metal does not float; it sinks, and I want it to float. So that's why I've added a little thermocol pieces. So when it floats, it will keep the metal sheet also from sinking. You can think it like when you go to swimming, the small babies have the little tubes around them, which makes them float. Think of like that. The metal sheet is the baby, and then the thermocol are the swimming. The swimming pipes.
Why do you think वो जो thermocol के pieces लगाए हैं, if those thermocol pieces would have been a little smaller than what you have used, suppose तुमने इतना बड़ा thermocol का piece use किया है, मैं इसको 1/10
Yes, sir.
इतना कर देता हूँ, it still help in making that sheet float?
I don't think so. It also matters on the size. If it won't let if the thermocol pieces are too small, the metal sheet will sink because it doesn't have that much width to carry the metal sheet.
So that brings me to the question: why does anything floats? Why does anything sinks? If you think that the size would matter, तो तुमने क्या किया? जो भी sufficient enough size था वो लगा दिया. I want you to understand how and why it is helping that metal sheet to float. And again, there are no thermocols attached to the ships. जो ships ocean में float करते हैं, उसमें कोई thermocol.
Yes, sir.
Those ships are made up of metals, things which are way heavier. Then how do they float? You have to understand that. This was the question in your research work also. Why does anything float? Did you research upon it?
Yes, sir. I have, sir. An object floats when the weight force of the object, the weight force is the weight of the object, it is balanced by the upward push of the water on the object. The upward push of the water, it increases the volume of the object that is under the water. So the upward push of water, it increases the volume of the object that is underwater, which is not affected by the depth of the water or the amount of water. So it basically means that when it floats, as you can think of it like it is this light to float. If it is light, it will float. You can think of it like that. And then, as you can see, metal is heavier. It is heavier than a thermocol piece, and the thermocol piece also floats because it is light, because it does not have so much weight to push through the upward push of the water.
So if you're thinking about just the weight, then let me know why a 1 kg cotton will float or a 1 kg wood will float over the water, but a 1 kg iron will not. 1 kg iron is obviously of the same weight as 1 kg of wood, but the wood will float, iron will not, if it is about the weight. The same weight of iron and same weight of wood and iron the same weight, the wood will float, iron will sink. The weight is, obviously it's not dependent on weight, it's something else, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So what you were saying was almost correct, but not entirely. So अगर तुम search करोगे Archimedes, you will find a few good videos and you look upon it and we'll discuss it in session. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes.
किसी को कुछ पूछना है? John, you want to ask? Why not? Simple thing. But are you able to think about how differently you can use the same circuit to do different things when the door is opening, when the door is closing? You know, a lot of things can be done using the same thing, same kind of circuit. So circuit completes, buzzer goes off, giving you a signal of something happening or not happening. Right? Think about it. Okay. The next